In today's video, I'll show you how to save a Microsoft Whiteboard as a PDF and PNG. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Whiteboard website. Make sure to log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the whiteboard you want to export as a PNG or PDF. When you're on the editing page, review all the details first to make sure everything looks correct. Once everything looks good, click the Settings or gear icon at the top right. Click Export, then click Image. Choose your preferred image size, then click Export and wait for it to finish. After exporting, you can check the file by opening it from your Downloads folder. To export the whiteboard as a PDF, open a new tab and search for iLovePDF. Scroll down and find JPG to PDF, then click it. Click Select JPG Images and choose the image file you exported earlier. On the editing page, choose your page orientation, either portrait or landscape. You can also change the page size and add margins if you want. Once everything looks good, click Convert to PDF. After the conversion is complete, click Download PDF. Open the file from your Downloads folder to review it. And that's it. That's how you save Microsoft Whiteboard as PDF and PNG.